Hi everybody, Tiki Time Gal, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own homemade DIY gesso paint, both white and black. From what I understand, gesso paint is used in the crafting world for painting, to prep your canvases or your other works, to prep them for painting. I usually don't use gesso, but I'm going to give it a go, I guess. I'm going to make my own gesso and prep some of my canvases before I paint and see how it works. So it's really easy. It's a fourth a cup of baby powder, a tablespoon of Elmer's glue or PVA glue, a tablespoon of white acrylic paint if you're going to make white gesso, and it's a tablespoon of black acrylic paint if you're going to make black gesso. And then you're going to add water very slowly to it until you get the consistency that you're looking for whatever project you're going to be doing. So you can make this up in small batches as you need it. It's real easy. The recipe is real easy. You should have everything on hand. And we're going to go ahead and make up a small batch of white and black gesso. So here we go. Let's draw you down here on the desktop. So we have our fourth measuring cup and our tablespoon. We're going to get a fourth of a cup of baby powder. I don't know if I'm going to need this funnel to do this or if I can just pour it in. Probably the funnel. Well, I already made a liar out of myself. Got it all over the countertop anyways. Let's not do that again on the black. Let's just try to jump in. I did a little bit better. Have our baby powder in. Okay, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of Elmer's glue. The recipe will be linked down below as well. Okay, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of white gesso for the white, or acrylic white paint for the white gesso. tablespoon of black acrylic paint for the black gesso. Okay, now I'm just going to pour in just a little bit of water. I'm going to mix this up with a um, what do you call it? Popsicle stick, yeah. And I can already tell this is going to be too thick, so I need to add some more water. I don't know, it's thinning up. The dollar store canvas, $1.25. Yeah, it's nice consistency. Let's get this paintbrush. Okay, let's do half a canvas in black and half a canvas in white. Smooths on nice and clean. Spreads really nicely. Nice even coat. It's thick. Coats well. Oh, this smooths a lot better. I think we need to add more water to the black. This one smooths on a lot better. The other one's real sticky and drags. I like the white one a lot better. White one's definitely good. Black one needs more water. Let's try the black now. Oh, much better. Spreads on better. Much better. It was too thick before. Now it's fine. There we go. Black and white gesso paint. Gesso. See what this looks like up close. Here's where it was too thick. Here's where it was too thick. See, this is where it was too thick. This is where it was fine. And this is the white where it was fine. So, there you go. 4th cup of baby powder, 1 tablespoon of Elmer's glue, 1 tablespoon of white acrylic paint or black acrylic paint, depending on if you're making black or white gesso, and a little bit of water until it's the desired consistency that you are looking for. There you go. I'll have it linked the recipe down in the description so that you can follow along at home. Make you some gesso for your projects today, folks. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Catch you on the flip side. And hey, while you're at it, why don't you subscribe to the channel? Leave a link or leave a comment down below and let me know how you're doing. Let me know if I'm doing all right. And let me know what you're up to lately. Click the like button. Clicking the like button really helps my channel grow and supports me. Share the video on other social media outlets, and click the notification bell and click all so you know when I have a new video that's uploaded or when I go live. That really helps my channel as well. So supporting me is a really big deal for me. I'm not a very big channel at this time, and it helps me to grow and reach more people on YouTube and allows me to grow my audience. So if you would like to support me, that's the best way you can, by clicking the like button, subscribing, clicking the notification bells, and sharing my content on other social media outlets. That's the best way you can support me at this time. So I would really appreciate it if you take a time to do that. And thank you very much. And with all that being said, y'all have a wonderful night, and we'll catch you on the flip side.